What's up with the latest Jordan releases? Let's go find out. All right, we're starting with this JD. Latest Jordan 1 release right here. I forgot what these are called. What the hell are these called? Jordan 1 High OG Rare Air. Had to look it up, and I think you can scratch off the black on the Nike swoosh. They're cool. They're cool. Can't really go wrong with black, white, and blue. $180 for those. Reimagine 1 black toe still available, man. Wow. People just not digging the Jordan 1 highs or lows right now, including these. Material on these not bad. I do think I do need these though. I do think I need them, man, specifically for suits and stuff like that. They got Vomeros here, and we've been seeing these at Ross. That's, I think, this specific colorway, right? I think I saw $45, which is freaking insane. Speaking of sales, why didn't I hit up the sales house right here? Did see one of these at the Foot Locker outlets for hella cheap. $110 for the 90-60s. These look hella comfy. Look like dad shoes too, but that look pretty comfy. We got the Jordan 4 RMs right here. There's like a little mini tab on the back. I didn't really notice. 2002 Rs going for $80 off. Definitely a solid price. 2002 R right here. Oh no, these are the 90-60s. My bad. Yeah, material not bad. Not bad. 2002 R on sale. 90-60s. Vomeros right here. Women's Vomeros under $100. You got these bad boys only in grade school though, as well as these, as well as those. Looks like another Jordan 3 release in the women's, and that's just hella bright. Wow. Well, a lot of aluminum foil on these bad boys. $2 for these women's. I'm not a fan of the Jordan 3s. Were like not super textured. No tumbling. I just love the tumbled leather. But yeah, they look all right. $200 for those. Definitely not grabbing those. Or even these Seafoam 4s. Definitely passing on these. Getting rid of some of my 4s, including a lot of other Jordans, to be really honest. $215 for these bad boys. I think I have 22 different colorways of the 4s. Do I really need 22 colorways? I did do a collection video. Hope you guys are able to find that on my channel. All right, let's go check out a few more spots. Our next store right here. It's been a while since I've been to this mall. Ton of sales tags. Price is not crazy, but oh wait, prices are actually pretty freaking decent. Look at this. Ross prices right here, $30 for the ID Zero. What are these? ID Zero foams or something? I don't remember. Whatever those are called. The Moas right here down to 40 freaking bucks. Got the suede one right here for $70. One of their ID Zeros right here. Wow, look at that. Look at that midsole. That's crazy. ID Zero. Arukus? I'm not really familiar with these. These are go for $140. And yeah, this midsole's pretty crazy. The Switch 4s? What the hell? And to see the AE lows, $20 off. Both of those, and then they still got the chrome ones. This is, I think, is the dopest one, dude. This thing definitely looks dope. You better be able to hoop if you wear this, in my opinion. For casual wear, I don't know. Can you guys wear these for casual? Actually, don't look too narrow. That's not too bad. You got 50% off some Dodgers jerseys. That's actually not bad. $175 for the Ohtani jerseys to get 50% off. That's not bad. They have mediums. They got smalls. Mediums to smalls. That's it. All the bigger sizes gone, because that's just too good of a price. 50% off. 70% off session. Looks like mostly CSG gear, but CSG quality pretty freaking nice. So 70% off camo, and they got jackets right here. 70% off. Really solid deal. My kiddo just has way too many hoodies and jackets. $60, 70% off. That comes out to $18 for the hoodies. They also got pants as well. If y'all need camo, 3 different camos. Also got a little sales rack right here. Air Max 1s. I feel like we've seen Air Max 1s everywhere on sale. It's like grade school or women's? I don't know. $40 for 550s. These are men's right here. These are the itchy ones, scratchy ones. I don't know. I think itchy going for 50 bucks. Itchy rivals, $50 for women's. 574s Trey Youngs. Those are men's right there. Yeah, just be patient because everything's going down right now. Got the La France line right here. This is Mellow Balls casual line right here. Not bad. 100. What is this? 100 still? 110? $110 still. They got 3 different colorways. This orange one on sale right here, $90, $20 off. Rest of them going for 110. I guess these right here still going for 135. This is the Ninja Turtle one, right? Yeah, both of these are the Ninja Turtle ones right here. Those are going for 135. I think the regular ones are like 120 or something, right? Because 125. So 125, 135. Some of them are on sale for 110, and then $80 for that one right there. So Foot Locker outlet still got really good deals on the Mellow Balls. Those of you guys that missed the Foot Locker outlet video, they did change their pricing scheme. Hope you guys saw that video. The Luka 4s right here, these look so much better than the Luka 3s. Holy cow, these look so much better. Man, they do look sleek. So much better. I just was not a fan of the Luka 3s. I don't know, I just thought they looked like some Skechers. Yeah, they look pretty whatever, dude. 130. Yeah, I'd rather get those for 130. They still got multiple Jason Tatum, what these are, 3s? Jason Tatum 3s. Still going for 100 bucks. And then seeing the newest Zion 4. These are the Zions. The latest Zions, the Zion 4s. These definitely look interesting. I don't know, which one do you guys like better? I'm totally biased because I like the Lucas because he's a Laker, so forget you guys. But yeah, both of these don't look bad. They don't look bad. In my opinion, they're starting to look better than the prior ones. I don't know. I like the Zion 2s. Wasn't a fan of the 3s. Do got the Jordan section right here. Dude, Olympic 6 is still regular price. Man, that's insane. And this spot does have the 3s right here. I kind of wish I bought these like instead of the camos. Like, why did I buy the camos? I got the camo 3s. They call them the patchwork. I think the patchwork 3s. Why did I get those? I'd rather have these than those. God dang it. And I just impulse bought a few things. But yeah, I do like these. I like them. Lucky Short, Jordan 3s. Got a few more sneaker shops. They still got the gray cement 3s. That's definitely a surprise. I was hoping to find these at the outlets. But yeah, no luck. I'd rather have these than the damn patchwork 3s that I got a while back. Dang it. Dang nabbit. They still got those as well. Got some solid prices on the Vomeros. Pretty much all of them on sale, including this one, go for $90. Not bad. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for more and more at Ross because that's where I've been finding them. Nike City shoes. I feel like these just came out. $70 for these. Kind of look like the general purpose. KD 17s on sale. $75. And the 22s as well, because it is towards the end of the basketball season. Fortunately, Lakers are balling. Got a leftover 21 down here. KD4 coppers right here, 100 bucks. Couple of books that I've never seen. Denim books right here, and then got kind of looks like a nubuck Milwaukee colorway right here, and then got the pythons that we've seen on sale, and then 50 bucks for these. I think I saw one of these at Ross, didn't I? I don't know. Yeah, look, it's like way different. It's like different, yeah. They still got the Forrest Gump colorway here as well. These are going for what, 140? And one of LeBron's newer colorways of the 22s right here. I haven't seen this one. I've seen the materials definitely different on these bad boys. Okay, 190. And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't found one of these on sale. Dang nabbit. Seen some of you guys talk about these. And yeah, I won't pay retail for it, but I need to get one on sale somewhere, dang it. This is women's or grade school? Grade school right here, $88 for Vomeros. Got another one right there. The Valentine's Day one still. $120 for those bad boys, but grade school options right here. $55 $5 for Air Forces. That's actually not bad. There are more tempos right here. What are these, some burros or something? Yeah, the court burros. Yeah, $35. And I've never seen these Air Forces right here, have I? I think I've ever seen, like, look at the ventilation on that. Holy cow. I think I've ever seen these bad boys. They go for $100 bucks. $35 for Cortezes. $80 for Air Max 90s. Dang, I think everything's out of whack. That's not supposed to be right there. That one has like 18 pairs. There's only like 4 above that. Maybe they've had a crazy day here. I don't know. Oh, wait. The Minecraft ones right here. Haven't seen these at too many spots. I'm not gonna lie. I've not seen these at too many spots. $55. That's actually not bad for the licensed ones, because usually the licensed ones go for way too much. You got these Crocs right here in a flowery one. I've never seen that. $55 for those. I think we got a couple stores left. Shoe Palace does have the best mix out of everybody. They don't just play the regular songs. They be doing funky remixes and stuff. Do got a Jordan section right here. And these quietly did sell out, huh? These did quietly sell out. I haven't seen these almost anywhere. The reverse metallic 5s right here. People got them as consolations for missing out on the metallic 5s. I got the ones and the ones. Got some 4 RMs that I've never seen before. Pretty decent colorway. That's actually not bad, dude. That one's actually not bad. If you don't have the bread 4s, grab these, right? No? Not really? Huh? Got Spizikes and colorways. I don't think I've ever seen this one right here. This one really stood out. But Spizike lows, 160 for these bad boys right here. That's all cream color. And did it come out with the Grape 5 Hydros right here, $65. And we've been seeing some of the other ones sell out. I think they've been on sale here and there. So the Industrial Blue 4s and the other Hydro, they've been selling out, dang it. But yeah, I already have like 10 different slides. I don't think I need, probably like 15 different slides. I probably don't need any more. Yeah, I got 2 3s on sale. Do you got these lows go for 80 bucks? Couple of IE lows right here, 110 for these. Is this an OG Stormtrooper colorway right here? I don't know. Do got the Sambas right here, different material. It's like the hemp ones. I just saw Adidas made out of hemp. I was like, what the heck? Never seen that before. But yeah, I got different materials. Sambas right here. These Sambas look different. Why do these look different? I think the midsole looks different on these bad boys. 110 for these. Oh, it's a extra large. Are they coming out with different type of Sambas there? And then do got the Nice Kicks collab right here. Okay. These are pretty nice, dude. Sambas. Yeah, see, these look way different. They do look way different, see? But yeah, this one got the rope laces and stuff. Nice Kicks used to be owned by Shoe Palace, but they've kind of gone under, it looks like, because I think they closed all the rest of them. Maybe they just closed the one in LA. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. My bad, you guys. Maybe I'm wrong. They got the messy Sambas right here, $100 for these. Then they do got some Bondis for $110. The Bondi 8s, the 9s are just coming out. And these are pretty freaking comfortable. $110 for these. These normally go for what, 160? 170? The Bondi 9s just went up to 170. I think they were like 160 before, but yeah, these are 110. And they don't look that different. The midsole does look different. The upper, not that much of a difference. This one looks like it has a little more padding on the ankle collar. I'm a huge fan of these. These are just comfy as hell. But yeah, 110. So starting to see discounts on Hokas. And we haven't seen discounts on Hokas before, but we also haven't really seen them like at too many retail shops too. Trying to look at the Bondi 9s versus the 8s. I think the midsole is about the same. I wonder if it's a little more cushiony. I don't know, but they do look significantly different though. 60 for the Cortez up top, 90 for the Lions, Vomeros right here, and then we got Air Max 90, 70, 100, as well as 80 for the Lunar ones right there. So we've seen these 2 colorways of these patent leather Air Force Ones, and they just added a gray one. Gray one's pretty decent. I was a fan of all of them. I've been a fan of these. I like the rope laces. I like the extra fat laces, and they expand quite a bit, that type of stuff. And the holes are a lot bigger. It's funny because a lot of the customization stores where you can go and customize, they were doing Air Forces. They were doing the bigger laces and stuff, and Nike kind of took inspiration from that. This is also a new colorway right here. Maybe you could wear this with the Lakers stuff. I don't know. And I don't think the purple's right, but $120 for those. And this is another Air Force that I've never seen. Like, color's just wild on these. $115 for these. And this matches the Dunks. We've seen Dunks with all this stuff, right? I wasn't sure if it was with the Chinese New Year stuff or anything. But yeah, $130 for those. And then Shoe Palace has been pretty aggressive with their sales. They got Dunks for $70 right there. Air Maxes for $100, and then they got those for $70. Okay. Do got a Borders. A little quick stop here. They still got all kinds of Dunks. I can't believe they still have this one. I still can't believe they have this one. This one released like quite some time ago, 2022 or something. 2024, my bad. 2024. I thought these released even further, like even a more long time ago. I don't know why I can't speak. 10.5 right there. This is definitely not my style, especially with all this stuff. But yeah, they do got a decent amount. They got a decent amount of Dunks. They did get the ones that sold out this past weekend. They did get them here, or was that 2 weekends ago? I think that was 2 weekends ago.